How many people are there in your family?
My family consists of my father, my mother, and my older sister. This makes us a nuclear family. They are all in close proximity to me, with the exception of my older sister, who moved farther away due to her career.
Do you have sisters and brothers? If so, how many?
I come from a family of three, with one older sister and two younger brothers. While I am 5 years younger than my older brother, Rahul, I am 3 years older than my younger sisters, Salmia and Priyansh.
How do you spend time with your family?
For the most part, I prioritize quality time with my family and friends. However, I am unable to keep track of time while away from home for education. But when I go back home from college, I don't stay up too late telling my mom and dad about my day.
Do you want to live with your family in the future?
Since my parents are the strength behind my success, of course, it's my duty as a member of a nuclear family to take care of my family members. It's required by our customs and heritage.
Are you close to all of your family members?
Right from the start of my foster, I attempted to include my family members in all I did. It's a natural part of being a family and a vital part of keeping everyone close. These contribute to a more peaceful life at home.
How your family influenced you?
My family inspired me greatly. That always supports and encourages me. They offer advice on school, careers, and finances.
Which member of your family are you closest to?
I have a special relationship with each and every member of my family. In contrast, my father and I are closer than anyone else in terms of sharing secrets and spending time together. Aside from the typical sibling bond, I have a special connection with my elder sister because she considers me her finest friend.
When did you last have a family party?
The event was the birthday celebration of my elder sister. We got together at our residence and brought around some cupcakes and refreshments for everybody.
How often do you meet with your family?
The night will be spent in the company of my parents. Therefore, I encounter them regularly. Unfortunately, none of us were able to get together because of our schedules during the day.
Do you get along well with your family?
Absolutely. The members of my family and I get along pretty smoothly. Because we have such a close connection with one another, we are a really happy family.
In what way is your family important to you?
Family is my world. My parents did everything possible for my education and well-being. Their contributions and sacrifices are unmatched. I'm thankful to have such a loving family. My family knows me best and will always support me. They've always been there for me. Family comes first, thus mine is my top priority.
What is your special moment with your family?
There's nothing quite like a party, especially one arranged in celebration of a special moment, like a birthday, an anniversary, or a remarkable accomplishment by a member of our family. These gatherings have provided us with countless wonderful memories, and we cherish them as some of our most precious and memorable life events.
Should we rely heavily on our families, or is it better to try to be independent?
I don't think independence contradicts family involvement. At a certain age, everyone should be financially and personally independent and close to family. We all have unique personalities and desire independence, but that shouldn't destroy our family.
Are there many different types of families in your country?
It's true that there are different kinds of families with wildly different average household sizes. There are little families consisting of a single parent and one or two children, and there are also enormous families consisting of around 8 or more children. A child may be adopted by a family to whom there is no biological connection.
Are people in your country generally close to their families?
The majority of people would rather be with their families and do whatever they can for the members of those families. However, there are exceptions to every rule. The neighbors who live directly across from us in an apartment complex do not have a solid link among the members of their family.
How many family members do they have?
In the family, there are 6 members: Mr. Gupta, his wife, their 2 children, and Mr. Gupta's parents. Mr. Gupta works in the army, and they have shifted from Jammu here merely 2 years back.
Explain why you like this family.
Our society is a huge promoter of diverse religions and backgrounds. You can find anybody and everybody here. So, my first encounter with Mr. Gupta and his family was on the annual day celebration of our society 2 years back, and they were very decent and well-mannered. After this meeting, Mrs. Gupta invited me to their house, as my age is almost the same as their son. Their behavior was so warm that I felt very much welcomed in their home.
Whose family is it?
This is an interesting topic to talk about, so I would like to talk about a family that I am very close to, which is my uncle's family.
What are they like?
I got to know them because our children go to the same school and often play together in the park. Emma, who is 10 years old, is a bright student and loves playing soccer after school. Jake, who is 7 years old, is full of energy and enjoys drawing and playing with his friends in the neighborhood.